Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that feels like pure magic, but I promise, it's all about geometry and perspective. We're going to turn simple, flat squares into amazing three-dimensional cubes right before your very eyes. And stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it too. And it's easier than you think. So, what's the big secret to adding that third dimension? It's all about understanding perspective. A square is a 2D shape, right? It has length and width. To make it a cube, we need to add depth. Imagine you're looking at a box. You don't just see the front face. You also see the side and the top, all angling away from you. That's perspective in action. Let's start with the basics. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. First, draw a perfect square. This is going to be the front face of our cube. Now, here comes the fun part. From the top right corner of your square, draw a short diagonal line going up and to the right. Do the same for the top left and bottom right corners. These lines are what create the illusion of depth. They're telling our brain, hey, this object is stretching back into space. Next, connect the ends of those diagonal lines. Draw a line connecting the end of the top left diagonal to the top right one. This forms the top edge of the back face. Then, connect the end of the top right diagonal down to the bottom right one. That's the side edge. You should now see a second square forming behind the first one, slightly offset. This back square is the key. Now, just connect the remaining corners. Draw a horizontal line to connect the top two corners of your new shape, and a vertical line to connect the two right side corners. And just like that, you've created a wireframe cube. See how those angled lines trick your eyes into seeing a 3D object on a 2D surface. It's pretty cool, isn't it? But let's take it a step further. How do we make it look solid? This is where shading comes in. Imagine a light source is hitting your cube from, say, the top left. The top face of the cube would be the brightest. The front face would be a little darker, and the right side face, which is turned away from the light, would be the darkest. Let's try it. Lightly shade the front face of your cube with your pencil. Now, for the side face, press a little harder to make it darker. Leave the top face white or very lightly shaded. Instantly, your cube pops off the page. Shading is what gives objects volume and makes them feel real. You can experiment with different light source positions to see how the shadows change. This basic technique is the foundation for all 3D drawing. Whether you're sketching buildings, cars, or characters, understanding how to turn flat shapes into solid forms is essential. It all starts with a simple square and a few angled lines. So let's recap the magic trick. You start with a square. You add 3 diagonal lines from 3 of its corners. You connect those lines to form the back face. Then you add some simple shading to show where the light is hitting. And boom, you've just performed a bit of 3D wizardry. I encourage you to practice this. Draw a page full of cubes. Try different sizes, different angles, and play with the shading. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. Before you know it, you'll be seeing the world in a whole new three-dimensional way. Thanks so much for hanging out and drawing with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you enjoyed this little tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative adventures. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn to draw next. See you in the next video.